Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to add music to WhatsApp status. So first is we have to use our Instagram application. So just head into your Instagram and then swipe to your right. Okay, now tap on the create option and then tap on the sticker icon at the top of your screen. Now tap on the music and then select the music that you want to use. So for example, I'm going to use this one, then click on done. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on the save option. So you will then just have to wait for a few seconds until the process is complete. Okay, now that the process is complete, is we have to head on to our WhatsApp application. Okay, now tap on the camera icon at the top of your screen and then select the video from the Instagram. So just tap on this one and then you can add a caption or you can just, tap on the checked mark icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And that's it. Now you know how to add music to WhatsApp status. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.